Dreams are like the past. Could it be our love puno na yan kaya?
Akin. Bumulong na yung bato ko eh. Nagpapalata. Hindi na daw siya natagayan.
Oh?
Yan lang yan.
She was a special girl. She did the world.
Pero mas maganda yung tayuan mo.
And I give her everything. Oh my goodness, she was fine in every way.
Pangpangit lang lumabas ha.
It's a bad life, it's the dishes that I say. She was a special girl, she meant the world to me, and I give her everything. Dreams that come and go, those are paradise for
Holy ka na ng anak, Maynila.
Ba yan?
Yun. Hindi, papadala doon sa Villanueva.
Pangit kaya? Hindi kaya
Oo.
ako...
Kay tatay, kay nanay. Ah.
Masyado i-focus naman kuya. Wala nang